Hey y'all, it's your girl Sashie E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved these super cute, quick and easy boho box braids. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. So first things first, I'll be braiding my hair down to add the crochet hair. So I'll be adding 2 horizontal braids to the back of my hair, and then I'll proceed to add the vertical regular cornrows. When I do each vertical cornrow, I'll be attaching each braid to the next so that it could lay really nice and flat, and I don't have to worry about that super big bulky braid that I'll usually have at the end if I don't add each braid to the next one. So as always, I am adding some shine and jam to my parts. I love adding shine and jam because it just makes my parts super neat and super crisp, and this gives me an opportunity to wear my hair in any part that I would like. So that's why I'm adding the shine and jam. And as you guys can see, I did add that first braid to the second braid. This is what I was talking about earlier, just to make everything look nice and flat and not bulky. Alright guys, so now that I am done with my braids, I'm just going to take a needle and thread and just sew that down. You can crochet it in if you'd like, but I just prefer to sew it down. It's very easy for me to do it. And as you guys can see, my braids are not the best. They don't have to be the neatest braids. As long as it's braided nice and flat, you guys should be alright. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take my natural oils blend from Luster's Pink. I love this stuff, you guys. It's oil in a spray can basically, and I'm just going to spray that all over my scalp to make sure that my scalp is nice and oiled before I go ahead and add the crochet hair. And then I'm just going to use my fingers to really work it in to make sure it really gets into my scalp. And then as you guys can see, this is just how the braids look. Again, they're not the neatest, but they are good. They got the job done, and my hair came out looking really nice and flat. Alright guys, so this is the hair that I'll be using. This is the Niseyo handmade hair. It also came with a crochet needle. It also came with 8 packs of hair, which was amazing, you guys. And each bundle of hair actually came with 16 individual boho box braids, which is amazing. Usually regular crochet hair usually comes with like 10. So this was very much a change for me, having 16 box braids in one pack. So I really enjoyed that. As you guys can see, the hair is super beautiful. I just love the little curls coming out of the box braids, and I really enjoyed this hair, you guys, because it's so lightweight. And y'all, check out this loop. Look how big that loop is. I was able to fit my thumb through that, you guys. So it made the installation process just so much easier because I didn't have to worry about really small loops and not being able to fit it through my hair or anything like that, y'all. It was just such a smooth process, as you guys can see. So I'm going very slow right here because I do want you guys to see how I install the crochet. I know for some people it may be very easy, but I know some people don't know how to do it. So I wanted to walk you guys through it. So you're going to put that latch hook through the hair. You're going to attach the hair to the hook, and then you're going to pull it through. You're going to attach the ends of that to the hook and pull it through the loop as well, and then you're just going to tighten that hair. So it's very, very simple, and I did show this in slow-mo a few other times so that you guys can really understand it. And also guys, for this install, I did not do multiple knots. I just knotted the hair one time. Whenever I do crochet braids, I always just knot it one time, because when you start knotting it 2-3 times, it's just going to be so bulky and ugly. So I just knot it one time, and as you guys can see, it is fine. I haven't had any issues with it getting loose or any issues with it falling out or anything like that. So I think if you guys do try this, knotting it one time should be sufficient. So I just wanted to walk you guys through it one more time. So as you guys can see, I am inserting that latch hook. I do get the hair, open up that loop on the hair, attach it to the end of the latch hook, close the latch hook, then you can see me pulling it through. Then I take the ends of the boho box braid, attach it to the ends of the latch hook, close it and pull it through that loop as well. And then I just proceed to tighten it. And as you guys can see, it looks really, really good.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew. Then you
So I did forget to let you guys know which edge control I use. So I did go in with my Kiss Edge Fixer to just sleek my edges back. But yeah guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please give your girl a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know if you guys are feeling this look. As you guys can see, the hair is so versatile. I can pull it up into a half up, half down. I pulled it back into a ponytail today. I've worn it in several different parts, y'all. It's such a look, you guys, and I love the length as well. I love that it's not super long and super heavy. It's just the perfect length for the summertime. But yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications. I try to post on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at noon Eastern Standard Time, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Just face it, no one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do.